Question number 3. There is a lady who is planning slides in the park for children to play. One is for children who are below 5 years of age and the other one for children who are above 5 years of age. So the first slide, which is meant for small kids, she is making at an height of 1.5 meter from the ground, and it makes an angle 30 degree. The slide makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. This is the first slide. The second slide is made at a height of 3 meter from the ground, and the slide makes an angle 60 degree with the base ground. Now they are asking us to find the length of the slide in both the cases. We will find one by one. When you take the first triangle, we have the angle, we have the opposite side, we have to find the hypotenuse. Since it is opposite to that angle, given angle, I call it as the opposite side, and the side which is opposite to that 90 degree angle is the hypotenuse side. So we are going to relate opposite side and hypotenuse, that is nothing but sine theta. You know that sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Substituting the values, we are going to have sine 30 degree is equal to opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Now when you substitute the values, you have sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to AB, that is 1.5, divided by AC, that is length of the first slide, L1. Taking L1 to this side and 2 to the other side, we will have, take L1 to this side, we will have L1 into 1, that is L1 equal to 1.5 into 2. So your L1 is equal to 3 meters. That is the length of the first slide is 3 meters. Now we are going to find length of the second slide. Again we are going to relate the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So we are going to use the same relationship. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Now here we have sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is equal to opposite side, that is AB, by hypotenuse, that is AC. Substituting the values, you know that sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2 equal to AB value is 3, AC value is L2, that is what we have to find. Taking this L2 that side, then we will have root 3 into L2 equal to 3 into 2. Now your L2 will be equal to 3 into 2 by root 3. You should not leave a irrational number in the denominator. So multiplying and dividing by root 3, we are going to have 3 into 2 is 6, 6 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So length of the second slide is going to be 2 root 3 meter. That is nothing but 2 into 1.732 approximately, because root 3 is approximately equal to 1.732. Then the answer will be 4, 6, 7 2s are 14, carry 1. So 3.464 meter. You have to put approximately, it is not exactly. It is approximately equal to 3.464 meter. So the length of the first slide is 3 meter and the length of the second slide is approximately 3.464 meter.